Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to remove the age restriction on the YouTube app. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone and ensure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon represented by the letter U at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, locate and tap on the small gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. From there, select the General section. Your goal here is to find the restricted mode option. If it is enabled, make sure to disable it. Restricted mode acts as a filter that prevents users from viewing age-restricted content. If after disabling restricted mode, you still cannot access age-restricted videos, return to the profile section and tap on your Google account button. This action will open a separate page within the YouTube app where you can manage your Google account settings. Navigate to Personal Info and find the Birthday section. In the birthday section, adjust your birth date so that you are over 21 years old. If you are currently 15 or 17 years old, your inability to view age-restricted videos may be due to your age setting. Update your birth date accordingly and save your changes. After making these adjustments, restart the YouTube app. You should now be able to access and view age-restricted videos without any issues. Remember to keep restricted mode disabled and ensure your birth date reflects that you are over 21 years old in your Google account settings to fully enjoy all content available on YouTube. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.